tell you stories. She will share professional secrets and tricks. She will make you listen, laugh, think. Tiffany Markman is a multi-award-winning writer, trainer, speaker. She's an expert in marketing, messaging, and media. And she will leave you smarter than you were before. She will show you how.
Without further ado, please help me welcome Tiff with the warmest round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, Tiffany Markman.
But here's a universal truth. Most people who are highly competent experience imposter syndrome at some point. Even really impressive people. So I want you to flip the switch in your mind that begins with what do I want to say, and I want you to change it to what do they need to know.
Please give an absolutely bananas welcome for Tiffany Markman.
We do business in a world of screaming noise, and our audiences are getting better and better and better at zoning out. So much so that noise isn't really the problem anymore. Sameness is. I'm Tiffany Markman, and I spend about 10 hours a day coming up with and executing creative ideas. But the problem is that creativity is exceptionally hard to explain. How much should go in and how much should stay out? Anyone can write content, even and especially non-writers, but the planning is more important than the writing. So here's a rule for creating messages that stand out. Either say something no one has ever said before, or say something unoriginal, but in a completely original way.